Alright, here's the situation. I'm getting ready to pull out, but look at this current. So, I got my anchor out, and I'm solo. So, I'm gonna do a slow approach with the current. Come in, and I am going to anchor over there. I figured it out. You know, I'm gonna anchor up. I don't gotta fight this current. You know, let me check my drift speed. You gotta check your drift speed. So what's the current pushing us at? It's how I do it. 1 miles per hour drift speed. Alrighty, I'll let y'all whoop. Alrighty, so once you're on shore, what I do is a lot of frogs out here. So what I do is I walk my jet ski. I hope y'all didn't hear that. I walk my jet ski to the boat ramp. It's just easier, especially when you're solo. To me, it's easier. I'm in shallow water. Instead of pushing the jet ski all the way out, I just walk the jet ski with the current. And I walk it, and I walk it, and I walk it until we get the boat ramp, and I just extend my strap out and bring the jet ski in. All right, holla at y'all. Whoop. Alrighty, so once I get the jet ski over the trailer, oh, almost fell. I drop the anchor, and I pull this forward. All right. And once I pull that forward, and I know it's secure, I detach this here. See, I never crank the engine up because, you know, the water's choppy. You don't want to suck anything up, you know. Now I get my strap. It's a lot easier to me to recover your jet ski in rough water like this, and you won't get as wet. All right. And you run your strap out. And you just start, come on. Try and do this with one hand.